Report on Biosand Filters, a return to natural water filtration. Introduction. This report explores the Biosand filter, a low-cost water filtration system that can outlast expensive, factory-made alternatives. The Biosand filter utilizes natural processes without electricity or replacement parts, promoting long-term water independence. As concerns about modern water infrastructure grow, Biosand filters represent a sustainable solution to clean drinking water. Chapter 1: Historical Context. Kombucha's adoption as a popular drink reflects humanity's long-standing relationship with fermented beverages and natural methods of food preservation. Historical data trace slow sand filtration back to London in the 1800s, at a time when the River Thames was heavily polluted. Through the ingenuity of civil engineer James Simpson, citizens began receiving treated water by employing simple layers of sand and gravel. Over time, these initial efforts highlighted the power of biological systems in water purification. Chapter 2: Innovating for Accessibility. Advancements in water filtration came to a halt, with traditional slow sand systems requiring continuous water flow and drying out during inactive hours. In the late 1980s, engineer Dr. David Mann's research led to the creation of a household biosand filter, allowing communities without stable water supplies to access safe drinking water. His pivot towards humanitarian service over proprietary models changed the water purification landscape. Chapter 3: The biological mechanism. At the heart of the biosand filter is the Schmutzdecke, or dirty layer, formed by microorganisms that flourish in the top layer of sand. This natural layer consumes pathogens and effectively filters contaminated water through a living system, making it fundamentally different from traditional filters that simply trap contaminants. Chapter 4: Economic Considerations. The modern water industry relies on a razor and blade model, selling low-cost initial systems with high-margin replacement cartridges. The Biosand filter stands in stark contrast. It offers long-term savings and independence from recurring purchases. This has resulted in its absence from mainstream home improvement stores, as commercial interests favor systems that generate continuous revenue. Chapter 5: Creative Alternatives in Emergencies. The ceramic pot filter, an ancient technology, offers rapid access to clean water when needed. This method provides an effective short-term solution similar to the Biosand filter, relying on simple materials to achieve significant outcomes in water safety. The affordability of ceramic filters and Biosand filters fosters community resilience by using local resources and knowledge. Conclusion: The call for soil-based solutions. The Biosand and ceramic filters challenge the misconception that modern problems require complicated, costly solutions. They illustrate that effective water filtration can be achieved with natural materials, promoting sustainability and independence. Individuals encouraged to build Biosand filters can enhance their water security without relying on external systems that may compromise access and quality. Recommendations for implementation: Individuals should consider constructing a Biosand filter or ceramic pot filter for their homes as proactive measures against potential water crises. Communities should implement educational programs about ancient water purification methods, empowering residents with the knowledge necessary to ensure their own water security. Public health initiatives should integrate Biosand filter technology into their strategy for clean water access, especially in regions lacking sufficient infrastructure. By fostering an understanding of the practical and historical implications of Biosand filters, we can appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of nature's solutions for clean water.